Hi guys, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited because I'm going to show you how to make Lomo Saltado. So what is Lomo Saltado? So it is a Peruvian recipe. It's like a steak and fry, stir fry. It is so delicious. Take no time to make, literally like under 30 minutes. You'll be eating Lomo Saltado. So the other night, well, a couple nights ago, I went out with my friend and we had this at a restaurant and I was like, I have to make this at home. And so that's what I'm doing. So let's get started. So guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to cook our beef. So I am using sirloin that I thinly sliced and I'm gonna put it on a pan that I have with some oil over medium-high heat. And we're gonna cook that there for about 2 minutes on each side until it's fully cooked and it has developed some color. In the meantime, I'm gonna make my sauce. Like I'm using beef broth, soy sauce, and white distilled vinegar. I'm gonna mix that all together and set it aside until I'm ready to use it. This is how my beef is looking. I'm going to remove it from the pan, and in the pan I added more oil and I'm going to cook my red onion that I sliced. I like a thick slice because I think onions is a very important ingredient in this dish. So I'm going to cook the onion there for about 3 minutes or until they're nice and soft. After that, we're going to go ahead and add some garlic that I minced and cook that there for about 30 seconds or until you start to smell it. Make sure you don't burn the garlic, please. After that, we're going to go ahead and add our tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes that I quartered. We're gonna cook these just for a minute. No more than that, even less, because they will still cook while everything finished up. So don't overcook this because we still want them to have to hold its shape and texture. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and put the meat back, give it a nice mix, and now we're going to go ahead and add our beef broth mixture. Give it a mix, and after that, we're going to go ahead and add our French fries. So for the French fry, you can fry them, which is how people do it. But you know, I came from work, I'm tired, I want to eat. I really don't want to mess with a lot of dishes and a lot of things, and I don't want the house to be smelling OD. So I just baked this in the oven, and I'm just gonna add them in there and mix it all together. It's just so delicious, guys. Once you mix it, you're gonna top it up with some cilantro, give it another mix, season with salt and pepper if you need to, and that is it. Dinner is served. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed my recipe for Lomo Saltado. The recipe will be in the description box. I really hope that you get to try it. So if you try it, don't forget to send me a picture on IG or Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Let me know how you think about this recipe. If you have a different way of making it, you can always let me know. So I see you in my next upload. Bye.